In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a 2026 calendar using AI. Let's get started. Creating a personalized calendar for 2026 has never been easier. With photo or AI artifacts, you can turn your favorite images into a custom calendar layout in just a few clicks. Perfect for gifts, office decor, or personal use. Even if you've never used AI art tools before, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. To open your web browser and navigate to Photo or AI artifacts. This is the hub for all of Photo's AI-powered creative tools. Now click the upload button and select the image that you want to turn into a calendar. And choose a high-quality resolution image for crisp and clear calendar output, and portraits or scenic photos work best for visible details, and avoid blurry and low-light images to ensure your calendar looks professional. Now on the left panel, you'll see a wide variety of art styles and templates. Now scroll down to the festival section and select 2026 calendar, and the AI will automatically generate a calendar layout using your image. And you'll see your photo transformed into a calendar-style design with months, dates, and a festive look included. But take note that this is a premium feature, so you'll need to upgrade your Photor subscription to generate images with this effect and access Photor's full AI generative features. Now click the compare button at the bottom right to see the side-by-side view of the original image and the generated calendar. And if you want to try a different style or get a new version, you can click regenerate on the effect thumbnail, and each regeneration usually takes about 10 seconds. And to save time in the future, hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And all your favorite effects can be easily accessed under the favorites section. And once you're happy with the final result, click download to save your 2026 calendar to your device. Optionally, you can click post to earn to share your creation and earn Photor coins, which can be cashed out. Or you can also animate your art to turn your calendar into a short animated video with Photor AI Video Generator. And here are some tips for the best 2026 calendar. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.